So, Rich Game, got two pickups here from you. One just came in today. The other one I got last Friday when I was in Vegas celebrating Sis' birthday, 313 Retro Queen. Go check her out here on YouTube. Also, check out Who Has the Heat, where they do very dope sneaker battles. And also, the Trap House 2.0, where they have even more dope sneaker battles for very large prices. So for very large winnings. So if you're a sneakerhead, you think you got what it takes to win, head over to the Trap House 2.0, which they're running a sneaker battle right now for $1,000. And they are going into the finals. And check out Who Has the Heat. They have a lot of replays you can watch to see what it's about. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, this bag, and I'll get back with you. Saucony, y'all need y'all ass kicked for this. Who the hell ships shoes in a bag? You know a box is very important to us sneakerheads. Why? Y'all see this box? Look at this. Now, I was hoping to get something different because one of my sneaker sisters, DJ, she was pissed off about her box. For y'all that didn't order from Saucony, y'all box probably don't look like this. But Saucony, y'all know better than this foolishness. The box is nice, and y'all putting people's stuff in a bag. Look. Like, seriously, though? It looked like this box went to hell and came back. But I'm happy I got my shoe. As long as that ain't damaged. You would thought these shoes came from China the way they looking, but damn. I'm so happy I got my hands on these, but Saucony, I gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better, homies, with the box. Y'all know I am gonna change out the laces on here, because I am the lace swap queen. The good thing is that I don't have to buy the laces to swap out. So these are the food fights. They have been out for a couple of weeks to about a month now. Let me show you the box. This is a sneaker that's made up of a few of their sneakers that I don't have. I can't really tell you which ones they are coming from. That, you know, with all the sneakers that are put together, because I don't have a whole bunch of Sauconys. I have like 3 pair, maybe. I have an 8. This is called the Food Fight. This box looked like it was in a wrestling match, not a food fight. But I don't plan on selling them, so I want to say this looks like avocado right here. I don't know what this is. Look like you got a little 3M on the back. Let's see. Yeah, look like it's a little bit of 3M. Let's keep that going. This may be avocado. I don't know. You have a lot of different textures on here. Suede, leather. These are the laces that they give. 3M, sorry for yawning. Yeah, I really wanted this shoe. This shoe was so dope. I think everybody in the sneaker community wanted this shoe, no cap. This is definitely the sneaker community's shoe of the year because every time they dropped, they would go like hotcakes. And when Sis 313 posted this link in our group, in our ladies group, I think everybody flew over to it. It did take about a day for them to sell out. I know I jumped on it right quick and was able to get my size, of course. When I looked at it the next day, they were completely sold out. So, yeah, these are the Saucony food fights. If you missed out on these, man, you missed out on a really good sneaker. You missed out on a really good sneaker. I would even say these pay resale worthy. And y'all know how I feel about resale. I don't like it. And I rarely pay resale. I have to really want something and really be trying to get it for me to pay resale on a shoe. So, and speaking of resale, here we go to our next pickup again. I went to Vegas last weekend to celebrate 313's birthday with her. And I have been researching. If y'all know what this is, if you know the box, but I have been researching and seeing who had the best prices. You know what I'm saying? If I wanted to order from Flight Club or if I was going to order from Urban Necessities, that's 2J's out in Vegas, very nice store. And they were both running for the same price for this particular shoe. So as you can see, is the Yeezy Foam Runner in the mixed cream. I really had liked this color. They've been out for a couple of months now. So it's the paper. And, he basically reversed the box, put foam and runner on the inside. Yeah, this is a 9 and they fit perfectly. You do have to go up a size. I'm between an 8 and an 8.5 on the V1 700s. I do an 8, and on his 700 V2s, I do an 8.5. And I probably could do it. I could comfortably do an 8.5 in the V1s as well. But I go with the 8, and they're comfortable. So yeah, these are the mixed cream. Again, I'm not going to get on into these because they've been out for about 2 months or so now, month to 2 months. I can't be sure, but I do know they are comfortable. I did have to pay a pretty penny over resale for these, which sucks because it's an $80 shoe. You know what I'm saying? But I really wanted these bad. I really wanted a pair of foam runners, and it's just so hard to hit on foam runners. For people to say that they don't like Yeezys, shit, you sure can't tell. But of course, it's the resellers that are the ones that snapping them up with the bots and stuff like that to resell them. He do have the red pair vermilion, I think, and I do want those as well. So these are my 2 pickups from last week. Saucony Food Fight and the Yeezy Foam Runner in the mixed cream. I'm very happy with this month's pickups. So I will do it on foot for y'all, and stay tuned. Peace.